Hey everybody, welcome to another video where we're gonna just talk you through kind of a little bit about the project. Basically, this is a shoe design, t-shirt design program. If you have someone that needs just an easy design for a t-shirt, or maybe like you wanted to do some custom shoes, they have online design programs built into some websites that we're gonna be using to create a custom design. So if you click on like the Nike one here, you can see that basically it'll bring you to the Nike website where you can create your own program, Nike by You. So if I was to go through and follow these kind of steps, um, you can see that you can customize your own shoes. You're not asked to buy the shoes, obviously. It's just a process of getting you kind of interested in designing things, which this is really fun. So you got the custom features, so you can kind of make the basic shapes and then customize it to however you want. We live in a creative world, so it's awesome to be able to kind of customize your style. That's basically something that's almost an expectation now, that you'll have a unique style. And in a visual world, graphic design is super important. So I want you to be able to have the tools to stand out. And also, just doing this will maybe spark an interest in a designing career for clothing or for a bunch of different things. So, this is, I guess, the general task is how are you going to make a shoe, or how are you going to make a t shirt? And I'm excited to see what you can come up with individually. So, then again, here's the Converse one. And should, I don't know why it went back. There we go. So if you're going to like the Converse one, you can see it'll open up your custom shoe design. Again, just like before, you have like the general kind of ranges of like the style of shoe, the high top, low top, slip on. You can kind of change, which one of these filters you want it to go through. Obviously, there's like 500-600 shoe design possibilities. If you want the high top classics, and so now you're just filtering down the options they're giving you to say, okay, now at this point, I think, I want this shoe with some custom elements. So then you click on the customize button. And you could start with any base color, you know what I mean? Kind of like the black. And then what if you used, a work of art or something and added it to it, something you already had, or you could obviously make something in the designer. So then edit design, a lot of steps. But basically, these are all things that you'll just problem solve as you get to these websites. You can get as creative as possible. You can see they have a lot of different kind of areas that you can customize, like the sidewalls. What do you want? Ooh, black. That does not look good. Ugh. White, probably good. Yeah. So those are kind of the elements that you have. I'm like, ooh, I like that actually with the silver. And then when you're done, let's say this was my completed shoe, I would go and on my tool, it's a snipping tool. Some people have keyboard shortcuts, but I'm going to use the snipping tool, take a screenshot. So here's like a screenshot, new. And obviously I want yours to be more creative than this. So I'd take my screenshot, go to my slideshow, and on a new slide, I would add my screenshot, Control V, just paste it. And then I would title it, shoe design. And then obviously now I have this kind of updated slideshow that's again showing me my different tasks. All right, good luck working, and I'm excited to see what you come up with.